Welcome to the Restaurant Bookkeeping Academy. I wanted to explain a little bit more about the system we created and why it is so unique to you, the restaurant owner. When I say restaurant owner, I'm also including bakery, bar, and catering owners as well. I used to have my own catering business, actually. I started it from scratch, and I eventually went on to also purchase an existing pizza business and grew these businesses, and after 12 years was able to successfully sell both of them, and then started a bookkeeping service where we only take food-related clients. I created this system because when I first started, I had no idea how to figure out if I was making a profit. All I had heard was you need to know your numbers. And so I wish that I had had this system when I first started. The second reason why I can totally relate with you is that I was not ready to hire a bookkeeper as well when I first started. So this system is perfect for those that still have the ability to do their own bookkeeping and are not ready to hire a monthly bookkeeping service. The system that we created is a cohort system where we work right alongside of you. So every Monday we will send a video to you and you will have the week to implement it into your QuickBooks online file. And then on Fridays, you will have an open Zoom link where you have the ability to ask us any questions that you may have encountered while learning how to do your bookkeeping. If you're not available on Fridays, then you can also send us an email and we will respond via email if it's easy that way, or we will do it in a Loom video where we can show you right in QuickBooks how to answer your question. There are 3 bonuses with this course, and the first is a sales tracker, the second is a 1099 tracker, and the fourth is a monthly and quarterly dates deadline form so you don't miss any important tax filings that you may have. I invite you to ask any questions, and I look forward to working right alongside of you as you learn how to do the bookkeeping specifically for your business.